Srishti.
Hi, Sonia.
Hmm. Can we talk about some plants and animals today?
Yes,
So, Srishti, what do you know about plants?
plants could drink water
Hmm.
and in the sun is like their food.
Okay. And
And
hmm.
and the animals always few animals eat steak and meat.
Hmm.
And few animals eat leaves and grass and
Hmm.
bushes.
Oh, can you tell me some examples,
Yes,
please?
yes.
Hmm.
They are like
Hmm.
they all are actually friends, but the Tinka they are friends in Tinka. Like that, there is three monkeys. Three monkeys definitely sit in trees, like in Tinka.
Okay. Which animals eat meat, Srishti?
Lion and tiger and cheetah.
Oh. And which animals eat plants and grasses?
And it's a rabbit and pig
Hmm.
and goats and sheep and cows and giraffes.
They eat plants, is it?
Yeah,
Okay. So, which animal do you have as pets?
me,
Yes.
I have two dogs that are really annoying.
Oh, you have two annoying dogs as pets.
Yeah,
So, what are pet animals? Do you know some pet animals?
yeah,
Hmm.
cats,
Hmm.
dogs,
Hmm.
and some guy used to have goats.
Yeah, some guys have goats as pets, isn't it?
Yeah,
Oh, that's so cool.
and some guys have listening dogs.
Yeah, some people have listening dogs, unlike ours.
And even there is some guys even keep a cow.
Ah, some keep a cow. What does cow give you?
Cow give you milk.
Okay.
So a guy has a baby and a cow. So he has a cow to get milk for baby.
Oh, that's so cool. So cows milk babies drink, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cows give milk, but you got to carefully do it so he doesn't kick you.
Oh, you have to milk the cow carefully. That's nice. That's nice. So have you seen a lion, Srishti?
Yes, in a zoo.
You have seen a lion in a zoo.
Yeah.
Have you seen a tiger and a cheetah?
No.
No, you haven't seen them.
I even see an owl.
You have seen an owl.
A baby one.
A baby owl. Wow. Hmm.
And some deers.
Some deers. Okay. Have you seen a peacock? Have you seen some birds? Do you know any birds?
I just saw owl there.
You saw an owl there. Yes, I remember you saw an owl there. Have you seen birds? Do you know any birds?
I've never seen any other birds.
Not in the zoo. Otherwise, have you seen birds? Do you know any birds?
I know crow, pigeons,
Hmm.
eagles,
Hmm.
kiwis,
Hmm.
and peacocks,
Hmm.
and even one, one nice parrot.
Oh, how does a kiwi look? I have not seen that bird.
It looks round and fat.
It looks round and fat.
Yes.
Oh,
It's really fat.
it's really, really fat. Oh, and how long is its beak?
It's this much long.
It has a long beak. Oh, cool. And what color is a kiwi?
It's kind of brown or black.
It's kind of brown or black. Okay, it must be black, I think, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And can it fly? Have you seen a kiwi fly?
No, it does not.
No, it does not. Oh,
Because it's fat. It can't fly when it's fat.
yes. And does it have wings? I don't think kiwi has wings. Does it have wings?
It does have wings, but his wings are not because he's fat.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Have you seen any reptiles? You know what are reptiles?
What is it?
Something like a crocodile.
Reptiles or white crocodile?
Yeah, you have seen a white crocodile?
No, I never seen the white crocodile, but I know how it look like.
Oh, which have you seen any crocodile? Have you seen any snakes, crocodiles?
I saw a snake in the blue house. It was chasing after me, so I quickly ran into my blue house.
Oh my god, a snake was chasing you.
Yeah, so I quickly ran into my blue house and said to mommy, there's a snake.
Oh my god, you have seen a snake and it was chasing you. My god.
I was running and parkoured it.
You parkoured it. Oh, that's so nice.
It put trap, so I parkoured the traps.
You parkoured the traps and ran away from the snake. You escaped.
Yeah, then mommy called the snake catchers.
Oh, you called the snake catchers. Did they catch the snake?
No, the snake was hiding somewhere really good. So they can't find it.
They couldn't catch it?
No.
That's so sad.
Then that means that's why we leave that house and came here.
Oh, that's why we left that house. That's great to know. That's great to know. Do you know any insects, Srishti? Insect?
Yeah, I know an ant,
Hmm.
a beetle, a ladybug that I saw that yellow and green were really rare.
Oh, it's a rare ladybug.
Yeah, and I know a special ladybug. It's the rainbow one.
Oh,
It's above the clouds.
it's above the clouds. Okay, there is a ladybug above the clouds. That's fancy. Do you know any flowers and plants and trees?
Yeah, I know some trees. There are some trees in the jungle.
Okay.
There's some trees next to houses. There's some trees in an area without anything.
Okay.
And there's some trees next to next to a witch's lake.
Oh my god, those trees must be scary.
Yeah, it definitely have those stucky things.
Oh.
The witch's lake, there's supposed to be a witch that throws deadly potions. It supposed to be that witch.
Oh, witches throw deadly potions on trees.
No, it throws deadly potions on anyone.
It throws deadly potions on anyone. Okay. So, do you know some flowers? Have you seen flowers?
Flowers?
Yes.
I know few. That's in our house. Red roses, orange roses, sunflowers, some the purple flowers.
Okay.
I even saw the special flower.
What is it?
It's a rainbow flower that lives on top of the rainbow mountain.
Oh, that's so special.
Yeah, that flower's too special. It's supposed to be on a mountain, that rainbow with rainbow snow.
Oh, so do you know some vegetables, fruits, or something?
Yeah, I know. I know carrot is a vegetable.
Okay.
And beans. And even nice lettuce.
Lettuce is a vegetable. Okay. Any other vegetables that you know of?
I don't know three vegetables.
You do not know other vegetables?
No, I just know three only.
Okay. How about tomatoes and potatoes and onions? You don't know these vegetables?
I know these. I know the potato, tomato, onion. Last year I tried the onion and it tastes like onion.
Onion tasted like an onion. Wow, that's a good way of describing it. Okay.
Like I like apples, onions, anything.
Okay,
I-
which vegetable you like the best? Which is your favorite vegetable?
Carrot and potato.
Carrots and potatoes. Wow, okay. So, which is your favorite fruit? Do you like fruits?
Cucumber.
Cucumber is not a fruit, it's a vegetable.
I like cucumber.
Cucumber is a vegetable, yeah. Do you like fruits?
Apple, orange.
Hmm?
I like apple, orange,
Okay,
and grapes.
okay.
The green ones.
The green ones, alright.
I like green grapes.
Okay.
That's all the vegetables and fruits I know.
Do you like a fruit called na?
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate, yes. No, the fruit I said was something else.
Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. Have you had dragon fruit?
No.
Okay. Which fruit is yellow in color?
Which fruit is yellow? Lemon.
Lemon is yellow, yes, definitely. There is one more fruit which has a peel which you take off, which is yellow in color.
Is it the one that we peel off? Which one?
Yellow skin, you peel the skin off and then you eat that yummy fruit in between.
Is it the grapes?
No, grapes aren't yellow in color. Do you peel off grape skin?
No.
Then?
I just take a bite and added a lip balm. I just take one bite, then put in my lips and lip balm.
That's great. No, I'm asking about the fruit which starts with the letter B.
B. I don't know.
You don't know. You don't know a banana?
Oh, it's a banana.
Yes. It's a banana.
Just put it right.
Do you like bananas?
Yes, I like it.
You like it?
Yeah,
That's so nice.
but I like banana. Look at cartoon dog. He always eats stupid bananas.
Yeah, but you like good bananas, isn't it?
Yeah, a cartoon dog eats black banana.
Oh, that's yucky. So he shouldn't eat that. Anyways, Rishti, thanks for the great interview.
Yeah.
We will do the second part later. See you then, girl. Bye.